Mary Ann Gabriel, Newcastle City Council President.
When we first discussed this rally, and it was asked to me to ask the mayor to come and do a proclamation, the thing about it is that it's very difficult to speak about child sexual assault and child abuse. But the mayor never hesitated when I talked to him about this. Wanted the information, did the proclamation. So I must tell you that it is a great honor of mine to introduce the mayor of the city of Newcastle, Mayor Anthony Mastrangelo.
Thank you very much, Mary Ann. It is my pleasure this evening to present the Mayor's Proclamation. Child sexual assault is a crime that affects hundreds of children nationwide each year. Whereas, believe me when I tell, is a social engagement and public awareness project to combat child sexual assault, with its objective being to engage and empower citizens to take a stand against child sexual assault and communicate to children and adolescents that it is not only safe to disclose abuse, but they will also be believed when they do so. And whereas the Believe Me When I Tell campaign promotes prevention by increasing public awareness through a marketing campaign and public education that promotes bystander intervention and protection by encouraging adults to intervene where child sexual assault is suspected, and encourages community intervention by providing a coordinated response to sexual violence perpetrated against children. Now therefore, I, Anthony Mastrangelo, Mayor of the City of Newcastle, in an attempt to let the public know that there will be zero tolerance regarding this crime, that no child should have their innocence literally stripped away, do hereby declare April 2010 as Child Sexual Assault Month in the City of Newcastle. As a reminder, as Dana mentioned earlier, get as many signs as you have for yard signs. Because let people know that we will not tolerate child sexual abuse. Thank you very much.
We're just about to the end of our program, and I'd like to take just a brief moment while the bagpipers play Amazing Grace to honor all of the victims of child abuse and child sexual assault. As Sue mentioned, we are so privileged in Lawrence County to have such an amazing team working against issues such as child abuse and child sexual assault. We have some additional partners on the podium tonight joining with us in our coordinated community response, and I'd just like to introduce them to you as well.
I'm Sam Miliano. I'm with the Newcastle Community YMCA.
Hi, I'm Debbie Hennon with the Lawrence County Community Action Partnership.
Good evening, I'm Doug Danko, President of the Jameson Health System. And at Jameson, we believe when you tell, and will treat all victims with the compassion and respect they deserve.
I'm Matthew Roth of the Pennsylvania State Police Community Services Unit.
Joe Lombardo, Chief of Police for Union Township.
Trooper Harry Gustafson of Pennsylvania State Police Newcastle Barracks Criminal Investigation Unit.
Good evening, Perry Colero, Lawrence County Sheriff.
Besides the partners that we have on the stage, we are also very happy to have a host of other organizations supporting us on this campaign. The YMCA, who we've already introduced, PNC Bank, Adagio Health, Red Cross, Big Brothers Big Sisters, Catholic Charities, Cray Youth Services, Salvation Army, Department of Public Welfare, Children and Youth, Drug and Alcohol, the Pregnancy Resource Center, and the Eye Care House. I would like to also remind you that we have an art project which has been done by victim survivors of child abuse and child sexual assault right here around the corner. Head in that door, it's in there. You can also have a chance to record your thoughts and feelings about this issue. It's dark, there's a black light in there, but people will be there to help guide you. The project is really very moving and very telling, and I encourage you to visit it. On behalf of the Crisis Shelter and all of the people who have taken their time to come and support this issue this evening, I thank you for coming tonight, and we really appreciate you in joining our efforts. Thank you.